Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Hari ni aku tak nak cakap banyak, tapi kita ada kasut untuk di-unbox. Marilah kita unbox. Thank you so much Esa for these shoes. I appreciate you a lot. Actually dah lama dah nak kasut ni, tapi baru dapat sebab my size susah gila nak jumpa for this pair, which is unbelievable sebab sekarang baru dapat. Wah, tak ada buah. Buah pula. Kenapa? Buka slow-slow. Best lah. Actually buat video unboxing ni best. Dia boleh tengok balik reaction kita. Oh my god. Cantik ni kotak dia. Cantik ni kotak dia. Kotak pun cantik. Guys, the moment of truth. Thank you for your order, South Island. Thank you, shout out to South Island. Thank you so much, Esa. I appreciate you, bro. Okay, kita tengok sama-sama. Kita tengok sama-sama. Cantik. Oh my god, cantik. Rasa macam besar pula. No. This is my size. This is my size. This pair is in my head right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the detail. Kat belakang dia. Ni tapak dia. Wow. Cannot believe my eyes that I actually got this pair for myself. Sebab susah gila babe nak cari kat Malaysia sebab dia tak keluar kat Malaysia lah pair ni. And then New Balance, yelah dia tak release kat Malaysia, dekat luar negara je. And then this person dia beli dari US and I bought it from him. And thank god dia dapat my size, which is dah lama I nak. So this time around kita akan tengok on my feet pula, okay? So let's go. This is the on feet of this New Balance, and I tell you what, it is so comfy and I cannot wrap my head around I finally got this shoes. I've been wanting it for so long. What's my thoughts on this pair? Dia sangatlah kita punya design dia sleek and quality dia memang top build. I rasa memang dia punya leather dia perfect lah. And dia berat, dia macam boleh tahan stiff, strong. And then you can see this is like sweat, and then this bahagian dia semua leather, and then ada sikit macam cushion like I don't know, insole there. So I feel that this is a pair worth copying. Oh my god, this thing looks so good.